Hello everyone, welcome to Siddhi Academics. I'm Amrita. I firmly believe that you should keep trying and you'll get it right. Let's start our 12 for today. Let's do questions from Olympiad question paper set C 2023 for grade 8. If you are watching my channel, then to stay abreast with whatever I'm posting, please like, share and subscribe to my channel Siddhi Academics. Let's start. Now let's do question number 1 from logical reasoning section. Pointing to a person in a meeting, Vijay said, "She is the sister of my brother's only son." How is that person related to Vijay? Definitely, she is the niece of Vijay. How? Because Vijay's brother's son's sister is also daughter for Vijay's brother. Now, this sister and brother, for them, Vijay is their uncle. So, Vijay's nephew will be his brother's son, and Vijay's brother's daughter will be Vijay's niece. So, D is the correct option for question number 1. Let's do question number 2. It says group the given figures into 3 classes on the basis of their identical properties using each figure only once. So if you see here, this question is super simple. The square here has small squares at its 4 edges. Similarly, triangle shape here has small triangles and 3 of its vertices, and the rectangle here has got 4 rectangles in its vertices. So if you see 1 and 5 and 7 form a set, right? Another class, this is one class. Now second class will be one shape within another. This triangle here within the square, and then this pentagon here within the, triangle here within the circle, this pentagon here within figures which are showing one figure within another. So 2, 4 and 8 form another class. Similarly, here we see some overlapping figures, closed figures, like here 2 circles overlapping each other, 3 triangles overlapping each other, 6 and 9 squares overlapping each other. So 3, 6 and 9 form another class. So going by this options, if we see, option B will be the correct answer, right? 1, 5, 7, 2, 4, 8 and 3, 6, 9. These form the 3 different classes. Let's check question number 3. Question number 3 says the following digits are coded as follows. So all the digits are given in the table and the respective coding is given below it. Now there are some conditions that need to be followed. Condition 1 says if the first digit from the left hand is an odd number and last digit is an even number, then they are going to be coded as greater than and less than respectively. Now let's have a look at the number 4 and 8 at the first and last digit. So from the left hand, first digit is not an odd number. Condition 1 won't apply. Condition 2 says if both first and last digits of the number are even numbers, then they are to be coded as Z. So what are the first and last digits? 4 and 8. So they will be coded as Z. We will not follow the table here. We won't take the percentage. We won't take the @ symbol for 8. Instead, according to condition 2, we will put Z for 4 and Z for 8. According to condition 2. Now what does condition 3 says? If a prime number is followed by another prime number, then both are to be coded as Y. Now look at this number here. 7 and 5 here are 2 prime numbers. 2 is another prime number but is not followed by a prime number. So 7 and 5 are 2 prime numbers followed, one prime number is followed by the other. So both will be coded as Y. So leaving space out for 9, I will write 2 Y's for 7 and 5. Now, what is the condition 4? If the second digit from the left hand of the number is odd, then it is to be coded as this copyright symbol C. So, if you see second number from the left hand is 9. So, I won't follow this table and write K. Instead, I will put copyright symbol C followed by this circle around it. Okay. And then for 6 and 2, I don't see any condition. So we will directly go to the table and refer it. So for 6 we will put hash, and for 2 we will put T. So if we look at the options, it should be Z copyright YY hash TZ. So option C is the correct answer for this question. right? So this one, Z copyright YY hash TZ. Now question number 4 is fairly simple question. Find the number of squares given in the formed in the given figure. So you can see on the sides 1, 2, 3, 4. This one is another one 5. Similarly 6, 7, 8, 9. This one another is 10. This is 11. In between 12. This one is 13. Then 14, 15, 16, 17. There could be many more. I don't need to know the correct answer because option D, since I have reached till 17, is definitely more than 14. So option D is the correct answer for question number 4. Now let's have a look also at the question 5 at the same time. Select the correct mirror image of the given figure. If the mirror is placed vertically to the left, so if it is placed vertically to the left, the arrow would look like this, whatever is given here, drawn here by the child who has attempted this question. The arrow, the top arrow will point in the opposite direction. Similarly, the bottom arrow will be pointing towards the mirror. This point will come here, definitely. So it will be like this arrow. And the zigzag lines here or the stripes will be here, similarly here. And the pattern here will get just ulta. The left side pattern will appear on the right of this triangle, and the vertical line stripes will appear on the left hand side of the mirror image. So if you see for all these conditions, option B is the correct answer, right? So 4 and 5, okay, let me show you the option B. Option B here is this one. Yes, so option B is the correct answer for the question number 5. So let's have a look at question number 6 and 7. 6 says that how many such even numbers are there in the given arrangement, each of which is immediately preceded by a symbol and immediately followed by a letter. So 4, if you see, is an even number. It is preceded by a letter. So symbol. So 4 is not that satisfying the condition. 8 is followed by another symbol. It should be followed by a letter if you have to consider 8. So not done. Now 2 here preceded by symbol plus, which is okay, but it is followed by a number. So not done for 2. 6 here has percentage symbol preceding it and followed by J, which is a letter. So 6 is one such even number which fulfills this condition. Now if you look here, 4 again has W letter preceding it. It should be preceded by a symbol if you want to consider it. So not done. 2 here is followed by division symbol. So again it's not followed by a letter. So option A 1 is the correct answer for question number 6. So question number 7 says a solid cube of each side 3 centimeter has been painted blue on all the faces. So entire cube, all the 6 surfaces are looking now blue. It is then cut into small cubical blocks of each side 1 centimeter. So we will take one such surface for the cube. So 3 centimeters means, and these small cubical blocks are being cut out means there will be 1 centimeter each, means there will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 9 cubes coming out from each cross section. Okay, so 9 into 3, 27 cubes will be coming out from the entire solid cube of size 3 centimeter. Now if you see, if I want to only take cube with only one face painted, these cubes, corner cubes, will have top as well as this side face also painted blue. So 1, 2, 3, 4, I can't consider. They will have 3 faces painted blue. And for the middle side 2 ones, they will have this side painted blue. So these two will have, I'm talking about this and this, they will have 2 sides painted blue. Only the center one will have only one face painted blue. So center cube. So like this, there are 6 faces for a cube. So out of that, 6 small cubes will come out with one surface painted blue. So the answer for this question will be B, option 6.